I'm really happy today in AM Congress to meet Lavinia here. Talk about your business.
Sure. Hi everyone, and thank you so much for having me. My name is Lavinia Osborne. I am the founder of Women in Blockchain Talks. It's a global platform because it's online, and if it's online, it's international, right? And what we do is we focus on the development of women in blockchain because representation matters. And so what does that look like? We talk to women about career and also about business. And so with that being said, one of the things that we do is that we help individuals to become part of the blockchain ecosystem, and we give them opportunities and pathways to do that. And today I'm here at AIM Congress, and I just finished a talk, and yes, that's who I am.
But Lavinia, blockchain, the word itself, it's not clear with most of us. Even at the beginning, when I heard about the blockchain, what is it? Can you just tell us a few words about exactly blockchain, how it's begin, and what is it exactly?
Of course. So blockchain technology ultimately is just that, a technology. But what is different about this technology is built like a ledger, and because if you look at a ledger you have information going in, so data going in, and then you see the data leaving. So it's an update of accounts ultimately. And what we're living in at this present moment in time is a data strong economy. Everything around us is data. Everybody's collecting data. But what are we doing with that data? How do we use that data? And how does everybody get access to that data? So what blockchain does, it creates transparency, trackability, and traceability. And in addition to that, what makes blockchain so different is that it's decentralized. So rather than just having the information in this one space, centralized, it's in different places, and because of those different places, each of those nodes are linked to each other. And so what that means is if I once the data goes in and a block has been created, if one node, somebody tries to change it, the other nodes, the other part of the blockchain will say, no, that's incorrect. And so this creates a public database that anyone can access without having to ask anyone permission. So it's very, very powerful, but ultimately it is a technology. And when we look at the blockchain ecosystem, you can think of blockchain as train tracks and the actual train carriages as the blockchain protocol. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, so those are the train carriages. And so without the tracks, the train can't move. So if the technology is not there, then the blockchain can't be there. And if the blockchain is not there, then aspects such as cryptocurrencies won't exist. So ultimately, that's what blockchain technology is. It's a ledger, a distributed ledger technology that allows us to see the movement of data in a way where we don't have to ask permission.
Oh, it's really clear, you make it clear.
Thank you.
And now, about the accounting, finance and accounting service, what do you think, how it has helped your business? Is it important also in your business to grow? Or what do you think about?
So what I think is that the world is moving, and when the world is moving, technology is evolving, everything is evolving. And so be it if you're in accountancy, or if you are in fashion, or if you are in medicine, technology is going to have an impact. And so accountancy, if you think about blockchain accountancy, they're very similar because it's an accounting of data and accounting of numbers, right?
Okay.
So if you work in accountancy, then you will understand how blockchain works quite well, because it's the accounting of the movement of data, of assets, of numbers, right? Which is what blockchain does. But again, it's done on a public way, in a decentralized way, which means that people can access it. But blockchain is already having an impact on the accountancy industry. It's disrupting it, just like it's disrupting all. Because accountancy is part of finance, and the finance industry is changing and developing because of the tech, AI, and blockchain, emerging technologies. So my thoughts are that it's important that that we keep aware of what's happening and how it can impact our business, so that we're not left behind.
My specific question is that when, as you entrepreneur, when you start seeing that accounting service, finance, it's important in your business itself.
Of course it's important.
Did you have like a basic knowledge about the accounting, or do you get a help from like accounting people?
So I have an accountant because I have to do my taxes, and taxes are not easy.
Great.
However, generally, a lot of the financial products that I use in order to make sales, it has accountancies within its package, which then I send the data to my accountant, so then at the end of the year, they're able to do what needs to be done. So,
Exactly. Thank you.
Yeah.
Actually, it is very important information you shared with us, and it's very important information that's today really for myself, and I think for my audience also. Thank you a lot, and hopefully we can be in touch.
Of course. Thank you so much for your time. Take care.